Good morning grade 6. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. Hope you all are doing great today. Let's learn about angles today. So to understand what are angles, you need to understand what is a ray first. So what is a ray? You see, a ray is a part of a line that starts from one endpoint and extends indefinitely in the opposite direction. So here you can see ray PQ. It starts at the endpoint P, or the source of the ray is the point P. It passes through point Q and extends indefinitely in the other direction. So a ray is a part of a line with one endpoint and extending endlessly in one direction. Now here you can see two rays, but both these rays start from a common endpoint, which is the point P. So this is ray PQ, whereas this is ray PA. Now, when two rays start from a common endpoint, an angle is formed between them. You see, there is a turn between these two rays. The measure of this turn, that's called an angle. So, how an angle is formed? An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common point called the vertex of the angle, and the two rays are called the arms or the sides of the angle. You see, this common point P, that is called the vertex of the angle, and the two rays forming the angle are called the arms of the angle or the sides of the angle. Now, this portion, the portion or the region that comes between the two arms, that's called the interior of the angle. The interior of the angle is not a restricted portion because we can extend the two arms indefinitely. Now, the remaining part here, this is called the exterior of the angle. So here you can see 2 points M and X. You can see the point M is in the interior of this angle and the point X is in the exterior of the angle. Now, how do we denote an angle? We use a symbol which looks like a small angle to denote an angle. So this angle can be denoted as angle A P Q. The name of the vertex or the common point is written in the middle. This can be written as angle APQ or angle QPA. So how do we measure angle? An angle can be measured using a protractor, and it is measured in terms of degrees represented by a small circle which can be written to the top right of the measurement of the angle. For example, if an angle measures 90 degrees, how do we write it? We write it as, first we write 90 and to the top right we put a small circle. So this means the given angle measures 90 degrees. Now look at this figure. Here you can see angle CAB, angle BAD and angle CAD. You can see the vertex A is common to all these angles. So there is a common vertex. And what about the side or the arm AB? It is also common to angle CAB and angle BAD. Now what about the interior of these angles? This region here represents the interior of angle CAB, and here this region represents the interior of angle BAD. Now do they overlap? No, the interior of the angles here do not overlap. So when two angles have a common arm, a common vertex and interiors that do not overlap, we call such angles as adjacent angles. So what are adjacent angles? Two angles having a common vertex and a common arm with their interiors not overlapping are called adjacent angles. So here angle CAB and angle BAD are adjacent angles. I hope this is clear to you. You have to go through this topics once again, which is given from page number 163 of your textbook. So once you have gone through the same, you can try this exercise given in page number 164, and there is exercise 11.3 given in the same page, and there is a horse exercise given in the next page, that is page number 165. So go through all these activities and do accordingly. You can mark your answers, take a picture of your answers and send us through Microsoft Teams. So that's all for today, children. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.